Astronaut workers arrive on the moon, unloading tools and preparing the site. Under the glow of Earth, the vision of a grand mosque begins. Workers scan the rugged lunar surface, mapping the perfect location. Drones hover as blueprints reveal the sacred structure to come. Drilling into the moon's surface, workers secure the foundation. The first metal beams are placed, marking the start of construction. A space crane lifts vertical beams as workers secure them. The mosque's structure starts to rise, a blend of faith and futuristic engineering. Workers carefully position patterned wall panels, some carving intricate calligraphy. The mosque begins to take shape under the starry sky. The grand dome skeleton is lifted into place. Jetpack workers secure the curved beams as moon dust glows under the construction lights. The base of the minaret is prepared, reinforced with advanced materials. Piece by piece, this towering symbol of faith begins to rise. Arched windows are placed, shimmering under the glow of Earth. A grand golden door is secured, welcoming future worshippers. Glowing calligraphy is etched into the walls, while luminous tiles reflect the beauty of space. The mosque's details shine with craftsmanship. The golden dome is carefully lifted and secured. Nearby, the crescent moon ornament awaits its final placement. Atop this sacred space, the minaret is completed. A worker in a jetpack secures the glowing crescent, a beacon of faith standing tall on the moon. Soft, moon dust-resistant carpets are laid. A worker aligns them with precision, ensuring prayers face Mecca, guided by technology. Golden chandeliers float in zero gravity, casting a warm glow. The mosque's interior becomes a serene, celestial sanctuary. The mihrab and minbar are installed, carved with intricate designs. The prayer hall is now ready to welcome its first worshippers. Floating spheres of water are carefully controlled, making ablution possible in space. A sacred ritual, now adapted for the cosmos. Workers polish luminous tiles and secure the last panels. The glowing Arabic calligraphy is perfected, marking the final steps of construction. A crane lifts the glowing crescent atop the golden dome. The mosque stands complete, a breathtaking masterpiece on the lunar surface. The first call to prayer echoes softly from embedded speakers. A historic moment. Faith and technology unite beyond Earth. Astronaut workers gather, facing Earth through arched windows. In silent devotion, the first prayer is offered on the moon. The mosque glows under the lunar night. The crescent gleams like a guiding light as workers celebrate, a dream realized beyond the stars.